वेलकम टू IFAS. I hope you all are doing well. And students, आज हमारे साथ में कनेक्टेड है हमारी स्टूडेंट नूरा and she has recently qualified CSIR नेट एग्जाम. So let's welcome her. Let's know her journey. देखते हैं आपको इनसे क्या क्या सीखने मिल सकता है. So hi Noora, how are you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you for such a platform here.
Okay dear. So please tell me about your result first of all. क्या रैंक थी, क्या स्कोर है?
Okay, ma'am. I secured 77th rank All India for the CSIR next lectureship this time. Also, I qualified for previous year, June 2022, with an All India rank previously, with an All India rank 131 with a lectureship.
Okay.
So this time it's quite improved for me with an All India rank 77. So I'm much happy for that. Being such a platform here to ask your queries relating to the study plannings. So I'm much interested to talk about the plannings and the strategies I attempted for qualifying the net.
Okay, great. A big congratulations. You have improved and that's a big thing. So please tell me about your plans. What are you planning after this?
So ma'am, I'm planning to do my PhD. So I'm much interested in research areas. After my post-graduation, I'm mailing professors in research institute regarding the gateships for the in big institutes. So I'm planning to do PhD in University of Kerala research for research. Recently, I submitted the synopsis for University of Kerala. I am planning to do my PhD in butterfly related topic. So I submitted the synopsis in that area.
Okay, great. So I think you have sorted many things in your life, like you have qualified LS, you have submitted the pre-PhD, your synopsis and everything. So that's great. And please tell me, Noora, about your preparation. First of all, please tell me that आपने masters कौन से subject में किए थे?
Ma'am, my masters was in my zoology.
Sorry?
In zoology.
अच्छा, zoology. Okay, fine. Great.
In life science area. Also, after completing my post-graduation, I'm doing some sort of work, like I got a training program in A3 Bangalore. It's an online mode. It's just parallel to my educational timings. It's about 1 year plan. So I got such a type of research experience there.
Okay, great. So that's wonderful actually. So please tell me that being a zoology aspirant, first of all, what do you think that which subjects are easier for you to pick for the CSIR net preparation? कौन से units आपको लगते हैं कि zoology वाले बच्चे तो easily कर लेंगे?
Yeah, ma'am. I think that it's quite easy because molecular biology, developmental biology, and such areas are quite easy for students come from the zoology background. So, in case of developmental biology, Vishal Sir's class from IFAS, I used to watch full videos in a full playlist and completed in just 2 or 3 days. I'm much interested in studying developmental biology aspects, also the molecular biology, and in terms of several molecular methods in practical labs during my studies as well. So, for zoology students, the developmental biology as part of me, it's quite easy to crack.
Okay, great. So that's wonderful. And tell me, like, आपने सारे units prepare किए थे 13 या फिर आपने कुछ skip किया था? And you have picked like some 8-10 units. What was your strategy?
Yeah, ma'am. It's quite not a hard work but a shortcut methods. Because I prepared for all topic, but in some sort I prepared via doing PYQs, previous year question papers.
Okay.
It's a better achievement by going through such a previous year question papers. We have much understanding about the topic, what questions they asked before previous years. So it's a better way to understand the topic and preparing for such a greatest exam like CSIR. So I adopted by going through the PYQs there. So much toughest topics such as I skipped in the animal anatomy, such kind of tough topics. It's being a tough topic for me ever. So I skipped in some sort like this.
Okay. So that was a smart work, I guess, because for CSIR exam, definitely the syllabus is so vast. It's not possible to study everything. So smart work you choose. That's great. Like to select those papers which is beneficial for you. उससे हमारा टाइम भी बहुत सारा बचता है और जो आपको आता है आपको वो काफी अच्छे तरीके से आता है. So tell me कि आपको कौन सा टॉपिक बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है पढ़ना in these 13 units, which you like find it difficult or don't like to study. What was that unit?
Genetics. I feel much difficult in doing these genetic related topics because such kind of mathematical calculations. Whichever I studied, I can't understand what it really means. But fortunately, I have been skipped that, and also I escaped from that topic because question is not much from that topic.
Okay.
And also I prefer ecology related topics because ecology is convenient for me to doing question paper works, and it's quite easy way of question typing, and the options is very much clear for me. According to me, ecology is more convenient. As well as
I think the concepts are like very in the story form, so just enjoy reading the topic.
Yeah, ma'am. Ecology, Peter Stilling's textbook. But not reading all that topic. I just prefer also the question paper workout because in part of the question paper we get lot of new things, and we get better practice in solving such problems. And linking the question paper with the options and go through such a large type of pattern question paper, such as CBT mode exam. So in case of such large paragraphs in the CBT mode, we have a lot of difficulties in reading this. So my practicing PYQs help me to come across such a large problem.
Okay, great. So that's wonderful that I now know your strength and your weakness. So please tell me that you told me that you don't like genetics a lot. So did you study genetics or you had left it completely?
Ma'am, studied, but some part.
Okay, like the easier ones, like you can solve them. I think diseases and everything, which are some theoretical part that we can do.
Yeah, ma'am. Some sort of questions like diseases, sex-linked diseases, such sort of mathematical problems are the difficult one in genetics. So we skipped only that one.
The 2-point cross, 3-point cross, that part.
Yeah, ma'am. Obviously.
Okay, great. So tell me that whenever I used to study, and I always tell this to my students that you study, that's good. पढ़ाई करना बहुत अच्छी बात है, पढ़ाई revision, but practicing is very important if you want to like score good marks in the part C. So tell me, what is the importance of practicing questions according to you for CSIR net preparation?
Yeah, ma'am. It's a better strategy. That's I previously talked about that. Because on seeing such type of questions, we have a much confidence about during the exam hall. So practicing such questions day by day. So regular practicing makes such confidence in our mind. So it's a effective way. It's proven way. That's I qualified the CSIR net. So much practicing help us to qualify such kind of exams. Also in terms of methods in biology, several techniques related aspects. Example, for instance, there are gram staining techniques, and also the stains used where that we never had before during our preparation. So from the question paper itself, we have understand such type of techniques are used in labs. So we have come across such type of question papers during the exam hall. So I have much confidence in solving such questions, and never stuck at the time.
Great. Definitely it builds our confidence. That's very important. Otherwise we are like हमें बहुत परेशानी होती है कि सच में हम सही तरीका यूज करें कि नहीं करें. बट व्हेन यू प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस यू हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस डेफिनेटली. और जब आप चीजों को याद करने की कोशिश करते हो तो आपको याद आती है एक्चुअल में कि अच्छा हाँ हमने ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा था. सो डेफिनेटली दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. एंड टेल मी लाइक आपने मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट किए थे बिफोर द फाइनल एग्जाम?
Once I attempted a mock test, but it made me much confident about the upcoming exam because there were some time which strike in my mind, which help in clearing the final exam. So it's in case of ecology, the terms some terms are difficult. It seems to be difficult
Mhm.
to us to solve in the question paper. So it strike in my mind during that mock test and helps me to solve in the final whole exam hall, the final step.
Hmm. Okay, okay, great. So, tell me what was your strategy in the mock test? Like when जब हमने final exam attempt किया था तो कोई strategy थी आपकी कि because we all know that time सिर्फ 3 घंटे का है, बहुत सारा question पढ़ना है, solve करना है. So, what was your strategy to like complete the entire paper in 3 hours?
Yeah, ma'am. According to me, the strategies to qualify the exam is that to solve the question which
Mhm.
might be shown as hard. So,
Mhm.
as a part of it, so solving the part C questions first. So
Yes.
it's a easier method to me to solve the hard question first. So C part
Okay.
question seems to be toughest to me. So I toughest and time recording one. So
Hmm.
I solved the C part questions first and then to B part. Then after the A part questions. The A part questions I prefer all times to solve only 5 questions. 5 questions
Okay.
sure answer. So without any negative marking, marking only five
Hmm.
questions.
At least
Sure,
10 marks you can get, sure, sure.
yeah, ma'am. So
Definitely.
such strategy help us to score better.
Hmm. And what about part B and part C? Like how many questions you attempt in B and C part?
Ma'am, full questions I attempted, but in a short I completed the full questions. Only questions read 2 times. I prefer to read the question 2 times in the exam hall. So by
Mhm.
completing questions in a faster mode, we have much time to solve within a choice time, in a choice way. So
Okay.
so
Mhm.
much time saving method is that.
Okay, great, great. So that's wonderful. That's wonderful. And see, we always like whenever we prepare for competitive exams, I always say that self study is very important. You learn from teachers. That's brilliantly. That's how you clear the concepts. But self study is very important if you want to really revise everything. So how you used to study? Like इतना सारा याद रखना है तो revision वगैरह कैसे करते थे?
Yeah, ma'am. I revised in every week. So today's chapter that I covered is
Mhm.
revised in every weekends. So I sometimes it's sort of difficult to me to solve this problem. To covering all these chapters and revising, it's
Mhm.
really better strategy to adopt it. For that, I go through the previous year question paper. So when solving the previous year question paper, we once go through this type of all the
Yes.
topic.
Ah.
So after that, solving to rewrite and then go through these topics. Thus, we cleared the concepts.
Okay, okay. Great, great. So that's wonderful actually. That because it's very important to look कि किस टॉपिक से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. No need to like study the entire thing. हम बहुत बच्चों को ये बोलते कि कितना पढ़ना है, इसे जरूरी कितना छोड़ना है आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, बिकॉज आप पूरी पढ़ने बैठोगे तो एग्जाम क्वालिफाई नहीं हो पाएगी. फ्रॉम एवरी टॉपिक वी हैव टू पिक सम स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक्स जहां से आप पढ़ोगे तो मैक्सिमम मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हो. डेफिनेटली दैट वाज अ गुड स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर यू एंड इट वर्क फॉर यू. दैट्स ग्रेट. तो टेल मी आपका जो रिजल्ट आया है, वे यू एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस रिजल्ट या फिर आपको कुछ बेटर एक्सपेक्टेशन था, थोड़ा लो एक्सपेक्टेशन था? व्हाट वर योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस जब आपने एग्जाम दिया उसके बाद?
Yeah, ma'am. I have no such expectation, but I leave the expectations in the exam hall and no further searching for how much the question paper answer keys and how much the cutoff, and I stopped it there and also waiting for the result to come. And because sometimes some sort of feelings will affect my day-to-day activity, so I stopped there and I wait for the result. So the final results will come, so that my colleagues think that the cutoff come, the answer key come, but I never mind because what they told, and I wait for the final results.
ओके, ओके, ग्रेट. एंड ड्यूरिंग योर एंटायर प्रिपरेशन वेयर यू लाइक कभी आपको नेगेटिविटी फील हुई है? वेयर यू लाइक एवर डिप्रेस्ड कि यार होगा नहीं होगा, पढ़ाई बहुत सारी है, कुछ ऐसा फीलिंग आया आपके प्रिपरेशन के दौरान?
Yeah, ma'am. Well, I during my delivery time is the exam. So
Mm-hmm.
I have a daughter. She's about 1 year old. So
Mm-hmm.
it's my delivery time. The first CSIR net exam,
Okay.
2022. So I qualified is with 131 rank, and now it's also in her present. I qualified 77th rank. So such kind of difficulties because sleep awakening cycles were fully
Mm-hmm.
disrupted in my mind because there's no enough time to study and to practice and to learn. I am much difficult facing timings there.
Okay, okay. So that's great. That's great. And tell me how you deal with the social media because that's a big problem for the kids nowadays. They're not able to focus. Like they are like, कि मैम हम थोड़ा चले जाते हैं. They get diverted very easily. So, do you have any tips for the students like how to deal with that issue?
Yeah, ma'am. The social media has a great influence on the study timings because we are not bored when we looking throughout the social media, but on the study we get the same problem as well. So
Mm-hmm.
boring is the one of the strategy that we come across during our studying, and then we diverted to the social media. So the real determination makes we have to divert from the social media. The real determination in our mind helps us to divert from the social media. That's the one thing. I usually chat on the WhatsApp, and no other medias are looking for. So WhatsApp is the one of the media I diverted. So looking chats, looking the status. So such kinds is time killing way. So I diverted such kinds. So by determination,
Mm-hmm.
while I using such media, the determination in my mind is telling I have no time, much time. I have to look after the daughter. So time is really short for me. So I
Mm-hmm.
rediverted to my studying.
Okay, okay, great. And tell me, who do you dedicate this success? Who was behind all this hard work with you?
Yeah, it's about the all the family. My family members have a
Definitely.
great credit to that. So my husband, even my mother, sisters, and my family members also help me a lot to achieve my success. So the geography, coming geography is one of the dream for me to crack, and they help me to crack such a great
Mhm.
fellowship. So they are the behind. They are the credit behind my success.
Okay, okay, great. So, lastly, it was great to interact with you. Just last, I wanted to ask you, do you have any message or any tips for the aspirants who are trying for this exam? I think consistency and pace is very important, which I always suggest them. What is your message to the students who are preparing now?
Yeah, ma'am. So it's not a hard work method because ma'am such a, already told previously because such a vast topic and limited time. So
Mhm.
hard work is not the ultimate aim. So the by several smart working and the previous year question paper workout, we can achieve a better way of success.
ओके ओके ग्रेट सो थैंक यू सो मच नूरा फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड काफ़ी कुछ बातें हमें आपसे पता चली है एंड आई थिंक ऑल द जूलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स वो तो बहुत रिलेट करेंगे आपके इस इंटरव्यू से दैट हाउ टू प्रिपेयर उनके लिए क्या बेस्ट है क्या वो करना चाहिए हाउ टू प्रिपेयर प्रॉपरली दैट आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो हैव लर्न अ लॉट टुडे एंड बाकियों को भी बहुत हेल्प होने वाली है इससे सो आई जस्ट विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट ऑन द एंटायर टीम एंड आई होप यू गेट एवरीथिंग जिसके लिए आपने इतनी हार्ड वर्क की है एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी सबमिटेड सिनॉप्सिस पार्ट आई एम वेरी श्योर कि आपका पीएचडी बहुत जल्दी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा एंड यू विल अचीव एवरीथिंग फॉर विच यू हैव वर्क सो हार्ड so a big congratulations and a very all the best for you from all of us.
Thank you.
Okay. And to all the students out there, students, मेहनत करते रहो एंड as we have learned बहुत सारी बात हमने सीखी है आज स्मार्ट वर्क करो हार्ड वर्क ऑफ कोर्स करते हैं बच्चे बट ये जो सीएसआर की एग्जाम है बिकॉज इतना सिलेबस है डोंट रन बिहाइंड एवरीथिंग डू स्मार्ट वर्क स्टडी प्रॉपरली आपको कितने नंबर लेके आने हैं ये आपको पता है उसके हिसाब से मेहनत करो एंड डेफिनेटली यू ऑल विल सक्सेड So see you all students very soon with some new sessions. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great day and a very happy learning to you all.